Welcome, I'm Carrie Butler, the Executive Director of TARC, and I'm excited to give you a preview of TARC Tomorrow, our plan for the future of public transportation and mobility in the Louisville region. Public transit provides essential connections for the citizens of the Louisville region to jobs, education, healthcare, and all kinds of amenities and services. Over the past 2.5 years, we've been challenged by the COVID-19 pandemic, which has impacted our ridership, our workforce, and our financial condition. But we are resilient, and this new plan is one of the key tools to ensure that TARC can continue to serve Greater Louisville community and thrive in the future. We look forward to sharing our vision with you, and you'll have an opportunity to share your ideas and feedback, which will be incorporated into the TARC Tomorrow plan before it's finalized this fall. Why is TARC developing a long-range plan? In simple terms, a transit long-range plan, such as TARC Tomorrow, helps answer the question, what should public transit in this city look like in 10 years? What about 20 years? It also produces ideas for projects and programs that we can act on in that time frame. Our system. Where is TARC today? Who does TARC serve now and in the future? Where does TARC stand financially to be able to meet the community's mobility needs? Our people. TARC employs more than 750 team members, coach operators, maintenance employees who service the fleet and facilities, contractors serving paratransit customers, and 125 in various administrative roles. We operate 34 fixed routes in Greater Louisville and Southern Indiana, covering about 1,700 miles each day. Last year, we provided 5 million unique trips on fixed route service. Our fleet. TARC is comprised of over 200 buses, including hybrid electric, battery electric buses, and paratransit vehicles to support our paratransit service. Our facilities. You know us from the bus stops and shelters you see across the community, and also our iconic Union Station, but we have a maintenance annex and other buildings that are aging and in need of updates and repair. Our budget. Operationally, staffing, our labor fringe benefits, and our paratransit account for over 60% of our budget. Our major source of revenue is the 1/5 of 1% of the occupational license tax. That rate has not changed since TARC was established in 1974. TARC's last long-range plan was in 2009, and we've made progress from the projects included in that, adding routes that have 15-minute or better headways. We've completed many shelter and sidewalk projects. We've introduced the Lou Lift circulator and made progress on replacing aging fleet in our facilities, but still there's more to be done. Currently, our Dixie Rapid bus is in operation, and we're planning improvements on our high-capacity corridors on Broadway, Preston, and Bardstown Road. We're also in the process of completing an annual performance plan, a zero-emission bus fleet transition plan, and our micro-mobility study. We also started 3 new routes in August. We have 6 big ideas. Rider experience. How can we make riding TARC safer, easier, and more convenient? Service and expansion. Where and how can we upgrade and expand our services? Financial stability and growth. How can we best position TARC to sustain and grow our financial capacity? Equity and environment. How can we be sure that TARC is centering equity and environmental sustainability in our work? Mobility and innovation. What new ideas can we bring to the table to update and improve our services? Collaboration. What are our best opportunities to work with our partner agencies for a better mobility system? Rider experience. We know that our riders today and in the future rely on us for a complete transit experience. That means that each time our customers interact with TARC, from our call center to our website, to our bus stops and passenger facilities, to their time on board our vehicles, they want a friendly and positive experience. Financial growth and stability. While TARC is appreciative of the funding we receive through a portion of the Jefferson County occupational license fee and other local, state, federal sources, that funding and what we receive in fare payments are just not adequate to meet the mobility needs in the future. Our plan calls for TARC to align our programs and priorities so that they are better positioned to receive federal funding support. In 2021, Congress passed a transportation bill that provides all-time levels of funding for transit systems over a 5-year period. TARC plans to maximize its opportunities for those dollars. Mobility and innovation. The world is changing faster than ever before. By thoughtfully adopting best practices and innovative technologies, we will bring new levels of convenience and quality to our transit system. Service and expansion. While we see major benefits within each area we're covering today, service and expansion is where we see an opportunity to make truly transformative change to improve the quality of life in the Louisville region. Equity environment. TARC is part of the solution for some of the issues facing our region. We are literally a driver of the local economy and an environmentally conscious means of transport. This plan intends to have actionable goals towards these ends, including Equity Action Plan, Zero Emissions Fleet. Collaboration. We know that TARC does not operate in a vacuum. From the roads we travel to policies about how development occurs, TARC's success depends in many ways on having partner agencies that make transit-supportive decisions. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts on the TARC Tomorrow plan. We talked about 6 big ideas that will shape TARC's future. Tell us which of these is most important to you. Are there other big ideas out there we should explore? Take our survey, send ideas to us by email at publiccomment@ridetarc.org, or call us 502-585-1234 and tell the customer service representative you want to weigh in on TARC Tomorrow. We'll collect all the input we receive from the community in the coming weeks and unveil the TARC Tomorrow plan this fall. Look for updates at ridetarc.org. Thank you for being an important part of TARC's future.